Hello, today's topic? At the concert hall.
I'm so excited for this concert.
Me too. The band is amazing.
I've been waiting for this for months.
It's going to be a memorable night.
Do you have the tickets with you?
Yes, I have them in my bag.
Great, let's find our seats.
I hope we have a good view.
I'm sure we will. This hall is huge.
I love the atmosphere in concert halls.
Me too, it's so electric.
Do you want anything from the concession stand?
Maybe some popcorn and soda.
Sounds good. I'll go get them.
Thanks, I'll save our seats.
Wow, the stage looks incredible.
I can't wait for the show to start.
I wonder which songs they'll play.
Hopefully they'll perform their hits.
I hope they play my favorite song.
Which one is your favorite?
It's called The One That Got Away.
That's a great song choice.
I'm sure they'll play it tonight.
Look, the lights are dimming.
The show's about to begin.
Let's enjoy every moment of it.
Absolutely, let's rock out.
Vocabulary.
Concert. Band. Wait. Night. Ticket. Seat. View. Atmosphere. Electric. Concession. Soda. Stage. Incredible. Start. Bag. Favorite. Song. Light. Enjoy. Moment.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos.